Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna film another speed review, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so a good start for this video. Last video I did film the intro for about 4 times. This one was great, so let's start with some products that I will not talk about too much just because I filmed some videos with them. The great old battle of the juicy lips, and I will film and that one should be up before this one. I will film the battle of the eyeliners. I'm so excited for that video because I did work very hard on it. I did buy a bunch of eyeliners and I did test them a lot of times and I'm still testing them. And yeah, I am kind of bored to do a colorful wing, but I need to test these eyeliners in every way. So yeah, I did work pretty hard on that video, and I have the battle of the juicy lips that I already filmed, and that one should be already live. So let's talk about these ones. First, I have the NYX This Is Milky gloss. Really love this one. This is a more pigmented gloss, but it is nice. It looks a bit, I forgot to mention that in the video, if you apply too much this will look a bit too goopy, so don't apply too much, but otherwise it's amazing. I really love it and it smells just amazing because I bought this shade. It's called Salted Caramel just because I love the smell, and it is a pinky orangey shade and I really love it. The next one is the Fenty Skin Cherry Treat Lip Oil, and this one is not my favorite, but if you really like cherries, this is a great option. Then we have the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm, and I have the shade Watermelon Kiss. The shade is not perfect for me because it's a bit too pinky, but I love this formula. It's a bit more cooling as well, so this one is a really nice balm as well. And the last one in here is the Huda Beauty Icy Silk Balm, and I have this one on my lips on top of the Project Pen lipstick. This one I don't really recommend. It is a plumping product, so it is still painful, which I don't like. If you really like plumping lip glosses and you want something more cooling, this is a great option. Right now it feels really nice on the lips, but the first minute of application this is not great. And then let's talk about the eyeliners. These are all the eyeliners that I bought recently. I really wanted to test some new eyeliners, but I bought so many. Let's talk about them just briefly because I will talk about more in that video. So first one is the retractable pencil from Sephora, and I have the shade Cobalt Blue. I think this is matte cobalt. Anyway, it's the cobalt blue shade. This is nice, I do really like it. Then we have the Natasha Denona Micro Tech Eye Crayon. This is the black one. This is great, but it is a black one. Then we have the Berry M eyeliner. This is the shade Strobe Light. It's a very beautiful green. I really like this one as well. I was kind of impressed with it. Then we have the Cupio Longwear Gel Eyeliner, and I have the shade Vivid, which is the purple shade. This is nice, not my favorite. Next one we have the Tattoo Liner by Maybelline, and I have the shade Rich Amethyst, so another purple. This is very nice for the waterline. For wings is not the best. Then we have the KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner, and I have the shade Blue Ashes. I don't recommend this one. This one is trash. So yeah, it's horrible. Then we have the Dermacol Magnetic Metal, and this shade is called number 4. How are you called? You don't have a name? Yeah, I think this one is just number 4, but it's the green. And I do like this one as well. Then we have another shade of the NYX Epic Wear because I got the black as well. This is the shade Dusty Mauve, and I do like it, but only for the waterline. It's not that pigmented, so you can't really do wings with it. Maybe if you don't have anything on your lids, but not my favorite for wings. And the last one in here finally is the Bourjois Waterproof blah blah blah, and we have the shade Sea Blue Soon, I think, but it's the very beautiful blue. this one is great. So overall, I do like drugstore pencils more. The Natasha Denona one is really nice, but it is very expensive. And the KVD one is a disappointing product, so I don't recommend that one, but I will include a bunch of other eye pencils in that video, and I will link it down below. Hopefully it's already filmed, but let's move into the next product. And I have a razor in here. This is the Tweezerman razor. If you don't care about razors or shaving your face, I will be very quick. This product is really nice. It is expensive, but you get 3 blades with it. It's very sharp. I do really like it. It is very good quality. I do use some alcohol and just clean the blades each time, and I really like it. I'm very happy that I decided to purchase it, even though it is expensive. The next product that we have is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold, and this is the laminating brow wax, and I am in love. I love this product. So I have it on my brows today. I've been loving very fluffy and very natural brows. This is better than the Benefit one. I said it. The Benefit one is still an amazing product, and I think that one is holding the hairs a bit better than this one, but I prefer this one just a tiny bit, just because of this brush. This brush is so great. I just love it. The only bad thing about this product is the stopper, because the stopper is not that strong. As you can see, it has some product in here, because I did clean the brush just a bit. So you get a lot of product on your brush, so you need to clean the spoolie pretty well. I really want the Patrick Ta brow gel, but it's out of stock everywhere, and I've been waiting for 4 months, 5 months maybe. It drives me bananas. So I really want that product. I will wait for it. I hope it will be available soon, but I really like this one. The Benefit one, like I said, it's still great, but I prefer this spoolie, and I love this product. It's really, really nice. The next product is the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Liquid Lip, and I have the shade Love. I didn't break my low buy to purchase this one. One of my friends went to the States, so she bought this one for me as a gift. Thank you so much. This is an amazing gift for a makeup lover. The only thing that I don't love about this product is the color, but the formula is very, very nice. It stays on the lips pretty well, but it's not crusty or drying or something like that. I would say that it is a very, very similar formula to the Rare Beauty lip mousses, because the formula is very velvety, moussey, like that one, and they are not drying completely on the lips, so it's not a transfer proof formula, but it is really nice. Then we have the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel, and this is a sunscreen, and it is SPF 50. I do really like this one. It's really great. It's a more gel consistency. It sinks into the skin pretty fast. It is a bit hydrating as well. It is a gel formula, but is not clear. I did blend it in, and I don't think it has any white cast, so it is a really, really nice formula. I really like it, and I'm very happy that I decided to test it out. It is a great formula, and it is pretty affordable. We have 3 more products. The first one is a deodorant. I was loving the Dove Invisible Dry deodorant. That one is really, really good at keeping the smells and the sweat at minimum, but I hate that it creates some balls of product. It just very ugly and very annoying. So for summer I decided just to test another one, and one of my friends recommended this one, and this one is the Borotalco, I don't know how to pronounce that, original formula with active crystal talc. Anyway, it looks like this. Is a more wet formula, so when you apply it, it takes just 1 minute or two just to dry a bit, but it's really nice. It's not that strong as the Dove one, so if I'm going to the gym, even though I'm not going to the gym sadly, but if I would go to the gym, I would use the other one because it's a bit stronger. So this for day to day, it's amazing. I really recommend it, and I'm very happy that I decided to test this one. And then we have two bedhead products. The first one is the Dirty Secret Dry Shampoo, and I have a mini one. This is really nice. It doesn't have a white cast, and I like it. It's not that strong. I feel like the Batiste ones are just a bit stronger, but this is great. I do really like it. I feel like the IGK Direct Flight, the one that I don't like, it should be like this. This is a medium cleanse, so I think it should be like this, so it should do something. So overall, this is nice. I do prefer the Batiste ones, even though those have a white cast, but I could just blend it in, but this is great. The only thing that I don't like about this one is the smell. It smells citrusy, but I don't know, I don't like the smell. This one, the Salty Not Sorry Epic Texturizing Salt Spray, this one smells citrusy as well, but this one I like. They are different smells, but this one I like, the smell at least. But this texturizing spray is nice. I would give it like a 7. It's not my favorite one. I still prefer the IGK, but I can't buy that one because it's not available. So this one, it's a great replacement. So overall, I do like it, but I prefer the IGK. Okay, so these were all the products. I will link down below the Battle of the Juicy Lips part 1 and part 2 if you want to see more about lip glosses, lip oils and lip balms. And as well, I will link the Battle of the Eyeliners when that will be available. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.